International education in China. As of January 2015, the International Schools Consultancy listed China as having the 481 international school. ISC defines an international school in the following terms. ISC includes an international school if the school delivers a curriculum to any combination of the preschool, primary and secondary student wholly or partially in English outside an English speaking countries, or if a school in a country where English is one of the official language medium for an English medium curriculum other than the country national curriculum and is international in its orientation. This definition is used by the publication including the Economist. There are over 177,400 students enrolled in the international school in 2014-2013. Nicholas Brummett, managing director of ISC, reported that there were 338 international schools in mainland China as of 2013, with the 184,073 students. Slightly more than half of the international schools are in the major expatriate areas of the China: Beijing, Shanghai and Guangdong province, while the remainder is another areas Beijing, Shanghai and Guangdong. How they have the most international schools, while the significant number also exist in the Shenzhen and Qingdao. Many international schools in Beijing and Shanghai, in accordance with the Chinese law, are only permitted to enroll students having citizenship in areas other than mainland China. This is because the mainland China students are required to have a certain curriculum, and also that they do not include this curriculum are not permitted to the enroll mainlanders children who hold the foreign passports are permitted to attend these schools. Students from the Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan may attend international school for foreigners. As of the 2014-19 international school in Beijing are restricted to mainlanders. There are also schools using international curricula that accept that both mainlanders and non-mainlanders students. By 2004, increased international businesses operation resulted in an increase of foreign children. Many of the originally post-1949 international schools used international baccalaureate and North American curricula. By 2004, many international schools in the Beijing and Shanghai using the British curricula and had opened. The number of the international schools in 2013 is an increase from 22 international schools in 2001, with a total of 25 times fewer students. By the 2010, many mainland Chinese parents began sending their children to international schools, which accept mainlanders students to increase their children and chances of the going overseas. There is an increased number of international universities in China in recent years, including but not limited as CEIBS and Yali Center Beijing, Columbia Global Center Beijing opened in 2009, and Harvard Institute of Shanghai opened in 2010. Cornell Global is planning to have presence in both Beijing and Shanghai. MIT has an innovation node in the Hong Kong. Stanford University established an academic center in Peking. Universities Washington University in St. Louis established an MBA program with the Fudan University in 2002, which has since been constantly ranked as one of the best in the world. Higher education. Weiming lag of the Peking Universities. Haozhong University of the Science and Technology in Wuhan. By the end of 2004, China had 2,236 students higher learning and over 20 million students. The gross rate of the enrollment in schools of the higher learning reaches 19%. Postgraduate education is the fastest growing sector, with the 24.1% more students recruit and 25.9% more researchers than the year before. This enrollment growth indicates that China has entered the stage of the popular education. The UNESCO World Higher Education Report of June 2003 pointed out that the student population of China schools of the higher learning had doubled in a very short time ahead and was the world's largest. Particular attention has been paid to the improving the state system in the recent reform. Many industrial multi-universities and specialist colleges have been established, strengthening some incomplete subjects and establishing new specialties, e.g. automation, nuclear power, energy resources, oceanography, nuclear physics, computer science, polymer chemistry, polymer physics, radiochemistry, physical chemistry, biophysics. A project for creating 100 class universities began in the 1993, which has merged 708 schools of the higher learning into the 302 universities. Merging schools of higher learning has produced far-reaching reform of higher education management, optimizing educational resources, allocation and further improving the teaching quality and the school standard. More than 330 universities have received help from the Special National Fund to support their attainment of the world elite class. But between the 1999 and 2003, enrollment in higher education increased from 1.6 million to 3.82 million in 2004. The total enrollment in the ordinary school of higher learning was 4.473 million, 6.651 thousand more than in 2003. Schools of higher learning and research institutions enrolled 326,000 postgraduate students, 57,000 more than the previous year. In 2010, China is expecting 6.3 million students to graduate from the college or universities, with the 63% likely to enter the workforce. The contribution to China's economic construction and the social development made by research in the higher education sector is becoming ever more evident by strengthening the cooperation among their production, teaching and research. Schools of the higher learning are speeding up the process in turning the sci-tech research into product, giving rise to many new and high-tech enterprises and important innovation. 43 national universities sci-tech park have been started or approved, some of which have become the important basis for the commercializing research.